What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. No matter what's going on around you and in the world, do your best to turn the negative energy into some positive energy. That's probably the best way to go about it right now. Hopefully you guys do enjoy the video, and by the title you already know what we're here to talk about. The Kyrie 6 Preheat, which is kind of the collection ender of the whole Preheat collection. I want to get more out of the Preheat collection. There was 11 of them. I have about 3. This is going to be like the 4th one if you want to include it. Pretty dope shoe. I want to know your thoughts and opinions, of course, about these in the comment section below. If you happen to be new, do me the favor and hit the subscribe button with the notification bells to be updated every single time I drop a video. And you know what I'm saying, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into these shoes, you dig? So once again, we are back at it with another Kyrie 6. A lot of dope colorways out there. A lot of dope colorways out the Preheat pack alone. If you have a pair of Preheats, go ahead and drop that in the comment section below. Let us know which pair you own, or if there's some that you want in your collection, let us know. And what is the worst one out of the collection? Everybody's opinion is definitely different, so I wanted to see that in the comment section below. Out of all 11 Preheats, which is your least favorite? My least favorite had to be the Shanghai, but that's kind of changing now, so I don't know, it remains to be seen. Kyrie 6 Preheat, size 13, colorway is midnight navy and black. This one is fire. I've been wanting this one for the longest out of all of them, obviously. This is pretty dope because every other one from the city pack is 11 different cities that it's released in. But the Heal the World was a worldwide release, hence the name Heal the World. I think that's a fire way Nike did it. Let me know if you guys agree, and I will open up these boxes. Kind of right to the point, bro. These right here are definitely a cop for me. I've been waiting to get this for a minute, as you can see. Like I said, bro, I had a bid up on these things for a minute on StockX because I tried to go for retail, 140. And I had them up for about maybe 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. And then on 8/10, which is the magical number for me, they hit, bro. Somebody took the order or took the bid that I left there, and we have them now in front of us. The Kyrie 6 Preheat, you dig? Let me get the other shoe out the box. So now that we have them both out the box, bro, give me your honest opinions. I mean, we talked about these over the years since they released on 11/11, and a lot of people like this one just like myself. This is, like I said, my favorite one, or one of my favorite ones out of the whole Heal the World Preheat City pack that Kyrie and Nike came out with. The color combination is crazy. I made a replica version of this on 2K, so my 2K My Player has this same exact colorway. Follow me on the gaming channel, Gaming with Bossco, so we can go ahead and hoop and some 2K rec or my park if you're into that, you dig? The Kyrie 6 Preheat. Now this one, like I said, there were 11 shoes that dropped, and then this one was included in that pack too. Each of the 11 previous ones all went to one city around the world of cities that meant importance to Kyrie. But this one, the Heal the World, was a worldwide release, obviously for the, Heal the World. That's the title of the shoe. So everybody had a chance to get their hands on this. A lot of different details on this shoe. Of course, the graphics is crazy on the back. You have a Kyrie branding, of course, with the strap. You have 11/11 on the medial side with the infinity symbol, kind of almost like a number 8 for Kobe. Kobe and Kyrie with their, with their whole connection, and just in general way of thinking, bro. These are crazy. The colorway and color combination is ridiculous. There's a lot of history with this. Kyrie, favorite number 11, was drafted in 2011. Played 11 games for Duke, scored his 11,000th point on March 11th. A lot of 11s in his life that mean a lot of importance to him, which is dope. He puts his life story and things that mean to him into his shoes, which is a very dope detail. But I mean, everything about this shoe to me is a 10 out of 10. The Carolina blue or light blue sock liner around the, liner of the shoe, as well as the tongue. The tongue is off, it's like that red or orange red. It's pretty dope. Navy blue upper, blue with the tan. I mean, everything about this shoe is dope, from the color combination to the style of it and the look. This is a size 13, and let me go ahead and check the box really quick. I think this is made in China. Yes, made in China. And like I've said before, the China pair fit a little bit looser or more true to size. If you get a pair of Kyrie that are made in Vietnam, you definitely want to consider going up a half a size to maybe a full size. That's just been my experience with the shoes, and as well as a lot of other people. If you don't have that experience, please share with that, share that with us in the comment section below, bro. But these right here, not too much I can say. I'm gonna give you guys B-roll as we're talking about them. I mean, StockX numbers are not too bad if you want to try to get these to resell or either cop them for yourself. Not too much over retail. It's possible they go up once the Kyrie 7 drop, who knows. Another detail that I like that I might have missed out also is the outsole. Carolina blue outsole with this crazy vibrant all-seeing eye where the zoom turbo is. I think that's a really, really dope detail to the shoe. This one has like kind of a global symbol on the medial side of the left shoe, while the right shoe has the Infinity 11 symbol, which is crazy. A lot of things going on with the shoe, man. Very excellent, put together very well. If I had to say something about my favorite part of the shoe, I mean, it's the whole entire shoe, but what really stands out to me is this crimson tongue with the Carolina blue trim. That's pretty fire, with the purple swoosh. And then navy blue is one of my favorite colorways also. I think that is just really dope, a really dope color combination. And then the outsole stands out too, man. Definitely a shoe you can wear for casual wear as I do, or on the court as I will be doing, bro. If you guys have hooped in these, give us the feedback, and of course everything else in the comment section below. Don't forget to smash the like button and share the video. But this right here is excellent. I would probably personally do a lace swap. It comes with white laces. I would rather go with some of this like crimson red or orange, or maybe even a sky blue from one of my other shoes. I think that one might look a little bit dope here. Give me your lace swap options also in the comment section below, man. I appreciate everybody's support, your feedback, and all the comments you guys leave. It really means a lot. I read them all and I try to respond to all of them. And you guys watching all the way to the end, that really means a lot too, and you never know what kind of surprise you might get. So without further ado, bro, let's get into the highlights of these shoes, and we're gonna get some on feet because these are actually your personal pair for your boy Bossco, man. Smash the like button for that, if not for anything else. Without further ado, let's get into the detail of these shoes and the on feet, you dig? Peace. So if you enjoyed that video, hit the like button, share the video so more people can see what's up. Maybe even rewatch this video. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. You guys hit the notification bell to be updated every time I upload. Without further ado, I'm about to get out of here. Have a great day. Deuces.